EQM Industrial are New Zealand's leading food industry equipment and technology supplier, specialising in optimal performance of food processing lines. Dating back to 1990, EQM is a family-owned business based in Hastings. They provide food processing clients with a full design, build and installation service, from site review and project scope through to installation and backup service. EQM provide off-the-shelf or custom solutions for all food processing environments, including meat, beverage, dairy, produce and snack, and import reputable global brands such as STM, Clean Gear Tech, Dagu, Teco, Challenge, Pack and Unitech, to name a few. EQM Industrial has solutions across all food processing applications with their Drive, Move and Pack products. EQM Drive includes all drive components such as electric motors, gearboxes, speed controllers, bearings and housings. EQM Move has conveyor systems and conveyor componentry, while EQM Pack includes fruit and pallet labelling technology, pallet strapping equipment, weighing and filling systems, as well as simple and complex packing lines including fruit defect sorting. For breakdown support, EQM Rescue provides rapid response to keep production moving. For more information about your food processing requirements, contact EQM today.